In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an image without a background in Photoshop using a few simple methods that work for beginners and advanced users alike. Whether your image already has a transparent background or you need to remove it first, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get clean, professional results. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's start with the easiest method, and that's when your image already has no background. This usually means you're working with a PNG file that has transparency built in. To do this, go up to File, then click on Place Embedded. Now select your PNG image from your computer and click Place. Once it appears on your canvas, press Enter to confirm. And just like that, your image will be added with a transparent background automatically. No extra work needed. This is the fastest and cleanest method if your file is already prepared. Now, if your image does have a background, don't worry. Photoshop has a built-in tool to remove it quickly. Go ahead and open your image inside Photoshop. Then head up to the top menu, click on Select, and choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in your image. After that, look at the top toolbar and click on Remove Background. With one click, Photoshop will remove the background and create a mask for you. This works surprisingly well for most images, especially ones with clear subjects, but sometimes you'll want a cleaner, more detailed cut, especially around hair or complex edges. That's where refining comes in. After removing the background, click on Select and Mask. This opens a new workspace where you can fine-tune your selection. Use the Refine Edge Brush tool and paint over areas like hair or soft edges to improve the cut. Take your time here for the best results. Once you're happy, go down to Output Settings and choose Layer Mask, then click OK. Now you'll have a much more polished cutout. Finally, let's place your subject into another image. In the Layers panel, select your cutout layer, then simply click and drag it into your main project file. Once it's there, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to transform and resize it however you like. Position it where it fits best and you're done. Your subject is now placed perfectly without any background. And that's it. You now know multiple ways to add an image without a background in Photoshop, whether it's already transparent or needs a bit of editing first. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.